back here for part 2. I'm going to try to keep this video a bit shorter and try for around 10 minutes, but see how close we get to that. But I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, and I'll be back whenever it's done. I'm going to backwards. Look at that. I'm going to start with 500 grit and block everything down that I have in primer with my block. Don't want to use your flanges. If you use your hands, you might tend to wear a hole, but I don't know. I never did it. And got to do the hood. Got to do this quarter, which, dummy me, I left a pretty nice ridge here. Usually you try to keep a smooth edge so it's easier to sand down. This here, I really have to pay attention and be careful on how I block this. Same there. This quarter here and the bottom of this door. I'm gonna sand all that down with 500. Then, depending on how well this color really matches, probably gonna go up to here with color, or not color, try to blend up in here with color. This is Mocha Brown. Found out the name of this. Got to pull this emblem off. Got to pull the door handle. This trim here. Like I said, depending how nice it matches, gotta pull this door handle, this molding, mirror. And once again, depending on how it matches, I'm gonna paint the bumper cover first. I don't feel like doing a spray out, so I'm gonna paint the bumper cover first. Even if I did do a spray out, what am I gonna do? I'm not gonna tint it. Everyone's closed at the moment. Happy New Year, by the way. But I'll paint the bumper first. Put it up against the fender here. See if I need to blend the bumper cover in. If I do, I'll sand this fender down too. So it'll be this whole side. Hood, fender, quarter, back bumper, front bumper. So everything but 2 doors and a trunk lid. Great. Okay, so I'll sand the fender down, get it ready for the good stuff. But I'll be right back whenever I have all the primer sanded. Then I'm gonna move on to the bumper cover, and I'm gonna get the bumper cover sprayed today. Alright, said I wanted to make it a quick video, so I already got this all scuffed down, ready to spray. So let's get it done. There it is. That was 2 coats of clear back to back. You don't normally want to do that. It's kind of not really felt rushed, but wanted to get it done. Which the lift was messing me up, the boards, stuff like that. But hey, it is what it is. Turned out pretty nice. Cocoa brown. Let that dry, and tomorrow I'll see how that color really matches, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, got the bumper cover set on here from this morning. Okay, I thought I scratched that. I was thinking, oh no, but turned out pretty good. A little bit of dirt in it, but that color match is spot on. I mean, especially for a bumper cover, they don't match in the first place. This is interesting. If you have a plastic bumper to a steel fender, you paint them both at the same time, typically they don't match. I mean, even from the factory. You go out, look at your car. If it's a metallic color or even some whites, they don't match from the factory. Now, if you have steel to steel, matches. If you have steel to aluminum, same way with the plastic to the metal. I believe it's all in the way the metallic lays on the panel, but not a scientist, so don't quote me on that. But really interesting. So if you ever go to do work on somebody's vehicle, remember, point out that their bumper cover doesn't match in the first place. But this one here, I mean, to me that's beautiful. It's a really nice match. And pulled the bumper back off. Got the hood wet sanded yesterday. I'm gonna do the bottom of the door. The way the paint matched, I'm gonna try to keep it below this line here. If I can't, then I'm gonna keep it below this line. I'm gonna come up, I'm gonna have a little blend mark right there, and keep it below this line. Back bumper, it's gonna be right about here because it's gonna be the smallest part. Right along this edge, right here, right down through here, then right here. Then same way on this side. I'm gonna try to keep it below this line. Got everything sanded down. I ended up staying below that line. Hallelujah. It looks good too. So I was really worried about it, but it worked out good. All this is in 1200 grit. Usually like 1000, but I don't have any. All this here stayed all below that line. Then I'll do the whole door. But yeah, there we are. Now just to mask it and spray it. Masked off, ready to spray. And it's a whole 85 degrees in the garage. So this might be interesting. Probably gonna leave the door open for a little bit, leave it cool down a little. It should look pretty nice. Cleaned up nice. Just gonna go at it. is, guys, painted up. This is going to be the end of this video. If you like the shorter video, let me know. The bodywork turned out beautiful. Clear turned out pretty nice. Automatic door is pretty straight. That's where that dinger was, right around there. But I'm happy with it. But like I said, let me know if you like the shorter video. If you didn't, also let me know. Next video, we're going to be putting the car back together, buffing it out, what have you. But as always, thank you for watching.